Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use Gratisfaction on Shopify. So let's start. The first thing what I'm going to do, I'll just click here Add Application. Now we'll just wait until it's going to get installed. Click Install App. When we have it, first you need to select a language for front-end display. So I'm going to choose the English. Click Next and start setup. So first thing first, reward points for purchases, and you can have fixed points or percentage. So again, you can have one reward for every €1. So you can, let's say that go 0.50 or just like 1 or 1.50. So you can really choose like 2 rewards for every, or rewards of percent of spends as points. Again, you can choose how much you want it. Now let's click Next. Sign up reward. Reward users for creating an account on your store, also known as welcome points. So when someone is going to sign up for your site and they're going to enter email, they will get 100 points. Click Next. They can also pay using points. You can enable it or disable it. So customers can pay using their points at a checkout. And €1 is equal to 100 points. On, let's say, 25 points, I would lower it. I wouldn't have it as 100. It really depends on the price. But this can be really effective for people to actually sign up for your website, etc. Let's go further to the next. Now, Referral Program. And this is really great. Set up a Refer Friend program. Refer is rewarded, fixed or percentage. It really depends what kind of structure you want. I really like fixed because it's simple. So when I'm going to refer someone and they're going to buy a product, they will get 200 points. Each referred will receive a unique coupon code to share with their friends. Okay. Coupon type, fixed amount, free shipping. So when they are going to get it to someone, they will get €10 or 10%. Again, completely up to you. I'm going to zoom in more so you can see it better. My recommendation is go with a percentage of or fixed amount and have a free shipping to set it up in your store when someone is going to order above like €50. In that regard, it's like much better. You know, just have a go percentage off, fix a month on the referral program, and then have a free shipping as additional thing on your store. Click Next. Let's say 10%. You can share on Facebook, reward users when they share your message on Facebook. I'm going to disable it, but you can have enable it, again, completely up to you. So if you want to disable, I wouldn't have it only because, like, do you know why? The Facebook organic growth is really bad. And I don't know if I would allow it for people. Maybe if I'm going to get them like 15 points, that's okay-ish. Also, you have to check out this website. They have amazing product and service, and share URL. What you can also recommend for people to do to share their own URL, you know, the referral URL, so they can sign others. In that regard, the Facebook can be effective. So again, completely up to you. Now, when I'm going to click Next, the same thing with the Twitter, I would just skip it. This is the same thing, but I would just lower the points here on Twitter and Facebook. Birthday rewards, points when the user entered their birthday. I don't really see a point for it, but again, what you can do is to, you can get a point, and what you know which one. Let's say that someone is going to enter the email, and they're going to also enter the birthday. Then you can target them with a better products, better everything on their emails, and in that way it can be effective. So maybe it can be good. So I'm going to enable it. And now rewards newsletter sign up, rewards users for sign up for a newsletter. Definitely have this. This is really good. Proceed. And now you can have rewards here. So 5 of coupon for 500 points, 10 euro coupon for 1000 points. You can enable and disable these coupons. You can edit them, require points, let's say 20,000. You can really need to set up really good structure for it. Yeah, I like this. That's pretty. And now you can have percentage off and number of redemptions allow for this reward. You can just edit that. And this is so damn pretty. So this is how you can edit coupons here. And voila, I edit this one and I increase the 2000 points, but I need to also change the description. Click save. And voila, here we go. Now you see that it's like really effective and really good. You can add multiple rewards here. And what you need to do now is to proceed to appearance and how it actually looks like. So loyalty rewards program, mobile or desktop, pop-up, click next, compact, full. Again, you can edit it as much as you want. Pretty straightforward. You can see how it looks on desktop. You can see how it looks on mobile. Change the icon here. Or pop-up. Also how it feels on desktop. And now click save. And now you can just click here, publish now. And voila. So you need to also enable custom accounts. I got everything enabled. These are the rewards. This is the appearance. You can change the colors and everything. So I'll just click here, enable now. Accounts are optional. And this is pretty much it, how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. Verify. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you see the video on your website. Rewards. Enter your birthday, create account, sign in, get 2 points for every 1 euro you spend, earn 100 welcome points. Then I would have like click here rewards, and now see, this is so damn effective. Get 20 of euro coupon. This is so damn pretty and so damn good. The loyalty rewards program. I love it. Yeah, definitely use this program, guys. Perfect. Thank you very much, guys. Again, if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.